Okay, let's get started. We have example 1. Estimates of the world population in millions from 1995 to 2003 are shown on the table below. The scatter plot of the data is shown in figure 5.29. There it is. And then over here they connect the dots. Here's the table. Wow, look at all that information. An exponential growth model that approximates this data is right there. Ooh, that's cool. So it just gave us a function to use. What are we supposed to do with this, though? Let's see. P is the population in millions, and T equals 5 represents 1995. Okay, all right, so it's explaining this model to us. Compare the values given by the model with the estimates given by the U.S. Census Bureau. So we got to, compare the model to those. Okay. I guess if I wanted to try it, I have a calculator. I would take 5, which represents 1995. I would plug it into this and see if I get a number really, really close to that. It should be really close. It might not be exact, but it should be really, really close. All right, but that's not like the answer to the problem. This says, according to this model, when will the world population reach 6.8 billion? Now, does 6.8 billion, does that represent the T or the P? It represents the P. Okay, you guys are already halfway there. Okay, so let's do this. First, I want to talk about this billion number. We have 6 billion, 6.8 billion. So that's 6800, 000, and 000. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as long as we have like 9 place values right there, that's a billion. How do we write that as million? Because that's what the formula is written in. It's written in millions for the P. So what is this in millions? Yeah, pretty much you take away the million, which is the 6 zeros, and you write million instead. So we have 6800, that's 6800, equals, and then we have our little formula that they give us, 5,340 e raised to a nasty decimal 0.0129222t. You guys know how to solve for t, right? Right. Okay. Let's divide both sides by the 5,340. Wow! He died. And then we have 5,340 over there. Okay, now my e raised to the power there. How do I get rid of that e? Natural log that food. Okay, so now the e is gone. Now what? How do I get the t alone? I have this number right here. What do I have to do? Divide by 0.012922. And that will approximately give me the value of t. Can you guys do that in your calculator really quick? Good practice. Let's do it. If you do this in your calculator, I would first divide this fraction right here. I would go 6,800 divided by 5,340. And then whatever that number is, I would natural log that foo. And then after I natural log that foo, I would press enter, and then I would divide that answer by 0.012922, and that'll be my approximate answer. What did you guys get? 18.7. Beautiful. Now the question says, according to this model, when will the world population reach up to 66.8 billion? Okay, so this is years, right? This years. 5 represents 1995. So let's think about 13.7. How many years do we add the 5? We add 13.7. So if I go 13 spaces here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. What do we get to? 2008. Yeah, 2008. So in 2008, that's when the population will reach, that will reach 6.8 billion. I know there's a decimal here. It says 0.7, but that's just still during the year of 2008. It's just not at the beginning of 2008. It's probably more towards the end. It's 0.7 of the year.